Well, good afternoon, and thank you all for joining us. To our live stream viewers, today we're here live in Murfreesboro in Southern Illinois. Department of Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike is here with me. Emergency Management Agency Director Brigadier General Alicia Tate-Nadeau. All three of us just visited one of the state labs that's processing COVID-19 tests in Carbondale. Proud to say that the team at that lab are doing a terrific job on behalf of the people of the state of Illinois. Also with me today are Jackson County Board Chair Keith Larkin, Deputy Coordinator Orville Rao, and Director of Public Health Bart Hagston, as well as Mayor Stevens. This morning in the Metro East region, I announced a new resource to supplement these daily live-streamed press conferences, a website dedicated to Illinois' COVID-19 response. Please take this down. It's a useful resource for everybody. You'll be able to find these press conferences, as well as all the other information that we've put out for the public to see and know. The address is coronavirus.illinois.gov. This morning, I had the good fortune of visiting the Metro East region and speaking with the many people who are doing great work on the front lines, helping us to fight COVID-19 and helping us to keep the public peace. We had our state director of the Illinois State Police with us, Brendan Kelly, and we spoke about how important it is that people follow the rules that we've set out. As you know, there are a number of health-related orders that we've asked people to follow, and I would encourage everybody to take a look at those, understand what your obligations are to each other as residents of the state of Illinois. My administration is doing everything in our power to support our working families and our small businesses during this difficult time, which means a lot of new information is coming at you every day. Consider our new website as a hub for all the resources that we've developed to respond to this crisis. If you want to review our announcements on unemployment eligibility benefits, which we expanded and sped up for those impacted by COVID-19, or the work that we've done to prevent utility shutoffs or expand health care and support small businesses, you'll find all of that on this new website, coronavirus.illinois.gov. Some of you might look at the illnesses and deaths in other countries and think, well, that could never happen here. Not here in the United States, not in Illinois, not in my community. I know how frightening it can be to imagine that it could happen here. But look at the news coverage of other countries that have seen this virus spread. Look at the degree of lockdown in countries like Italy. Make no mistake, no place and no person is immune from COVID-19. The difference between where we are in our response and where other nations are is just a few weeks. We must act with urgency. We must act now. Last Monday, just 9 days ago, our known case count, was at 11. Our known case count was at 11, and it was all in one county, in Cook County. Yesterday, we had 160 cases reported in 15 counties. Today, our total is 288 across 17 counties. And people of all ages, from 9 to 99, have contracted COVID-19. We know this in part due to an increase in testing, but also we know it is spreading. This virus knows no boundaries. As we move forward, the administration will continue to use every tool at our disposal to respond to this unprecedented challenge and to keep people safe. But as rumors continue to swirl, I do want to assure all of you, essential services will always remain available. Grocery stores, pharmacies, gas stations, the things we all need, will not be closing down. I'll let Dr. Ezike speak to the specifics of the new cases in a moment, but I want to be clear. Illinois is being recognized as a national leader in response to COVID-19, but even so, these numbers will get much worse in Illinois before they will get better. But it's precisely because things will get worse that we must maintain our common values as Illinoisans, demonstrating our generosity and our unity. A few blocks from where we stand now sits the headquarters of the Knights of Columbus branch here in Murfreesboro. Every year, Murfreesboro Knights of Columbus host Friday fish fries during Lent, attracting hundreds of area residents for laughs and good times, community, and celebration. Until now, this year had looked no different. But the Murfreesboro Knights of Columbus didn't look at the worst of the world outside and declare the end of their tradition. 2 days from now, the Murfreesboro Knights of Columbus will still have their fish fry, but this year they will be handing out hundreds of meals through drive-through pickup. A community coming together, providing meals to support their neighbors, and keeping each other safe. When this is all over, we will still have each other. So let's hang on to that comfort and allow the bonds that connect us to carry us forward.